Hey from Seesaw! Did you know that you can easily switch between Seesaw accounts without having to sign out? Account switching in Seesaw is simple. You can now have multiple Seesaw accounts logged into Seesaw on the same device. You can have your teacher account, your family account, and your children's accounts all logged into the same device and switch between accounts with the tap of a button. This saves you the hassle of signing in and out and ensures you don't miss important notifications. Let's learn how to do this. Note, if you're using an iOS or Android device, make sure you are using the Seesaw Learning app. First, you need to sign in to another account on your device. In your current account, tap your profile icon on the top left. Tap your profile icon again to expand account details, and then tap Add Account. Choose the role you want to add, either teacher, student, or family member. We will select I'm a family member. Then sign in to the account. Repeat these steps to add all of you and your children's Seesaw accounts to this device. For privacy and ease of use, students should be using home learning codes to sign in from home. Note that account switching is device specific, so you will need to follow the previous steps on any other devices you use Seesaw on. Now, let's see how account switching works. Tap on your profile icon on the left, then tap See Other Accounts, and select the account you want to switch to. Now it will be easier than ever for both you and your child to use Seesaw on the same device at home. But what if you need to adjust or remove an account? Not a problem. Tap on your profile icon twice and select Manage Accounts from the bottom of the list. To remove an account, tap the three dots on the account you want to remove and tap Sign Out and Remove Account. We can't wait for you and your child to experience the ease of using Seesaw with account switching. See you again soon here at Seesaw.